Hello students and good afternoon. So now I am doing class for class 12 science. The topic is the same topic that we were doing in the last online class, that is your standard integrals. So same exercise 6b 4 mark section from page number 363 from the book Higher Mathematics for class 12 by Sailendra. So let us start this question number 22. So let us integrate it. So it is given that integral sine dx divided by root over 5x square plus 6x plus 4. So how will you do it? So in this case the expression is under square root and the coefficient of x square is positive. But can this expression be factorized? Can it be factorized? No, it cannot be factorized. So you have to convert into directly standard form. So before that you have to make the coefficient of square positive 1. Then convert into a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square form. Then you can easily convert into standard integral form. So first of all, let us write I is equal to integration of dx divided by, this is root over 5x square plus 6x plus 4. Right? So let us make the coefficient of x square positive 1. So, or I is equal to integration of dx divided by within square root, what is common here? 5 is taken common. So within bracket x square plus, it is 6 by 5 into x plus this is 4 by 5. Is it clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. So which is the constant here that you can take outside? 1 by root 5. So let us take this 1 by root over 5 outside integral sign, right? So it is integral sign dx divided by, this is root over x square plus 6x upon 5 plus this is 4 upon 5. Okay? So let us convert this x square and the term containing x in terms of perfect square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square form, or it may be a square minus 2ab plus b square form. Okay, since there is plus sign here before x, so we can convert it into a square plus 2ab plus b square form. Okay, so therefore I is equal to, this is 1 by root 5 integration of, this is dx divided by within square root. So let us convert it into a square plus 2ab plus b square form. What is a whole square? It is x whole square plus 2 into, what is a? A is x. A is x here into, what should be the value for b so that we can add 6x by 5. So by which number will you multiply this 2x to get 6 by 5? It will be 3 2s are 6 divided by 5. What is b whole square? This is 3 by 5 whole square. What is b? It is 3 by 5. What is 3 by 5 whole square? It is 9 by 25. But is there 9 by 25? No. But we have 4 by 5. Let us write 4 by 5 first. And since there is no 3 by 5 whole square, that is 9 by 25. So you have to subtract it. So it is minus, this is 9 by 25. This is minus 9 by 25. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify it now. Or it is I is equal to 1 by root 5 integration of dx divided by within square root. This is a square plus 2ab plus b whole square, that is x plus, this is your 3 by 5 whole square. Okay? So let us simplify, plus 4 by 5 minus 9 by 25 plus, what's the LCM here? It is 25 is the LCM. So this LCM is divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, isn't it? 5 5s are 25, so 5 4s are 20 and this is minus 9. So or I is equal to, this is 1 by root 5 integration of, this is dx divided by within square root, this is x plus 3 by 5 whole square plus, what is 20 minus 9? It is 11. So this is 11 by 25. So let us convert it into standard integral form, and here in this case which formula is used? That is integration of dx divided by root over x square plus a square. Now this formula will be used. So which is equal to, what is the formula? It is log within mod x plus root over x square plus a square, mod sign closed, plus c, here the base is e. Okay, so let us convert this 11 by 25 in terms of whole square. That is, how will I write 11 by 25 in terms of whole square? So I is equal to 1 by root 5. This is integration of dx divided by within square root. It is x plus 3 by 5 whole square plus. So how will you write 11 by 25 in terms of a whole square or whole square form? So it is root over 11 by 5 whole square. Is that clear to all of you? So I think I have understood it. So here instead of x, here there is x plus 3 by 5. And instead of a, here there is root over 11 by 5. So directly we can use this formula, right? So, or it is I is equal to 1 by root 5 log within mod sign, here the base is e. What is x? It is x plus 3 by 5 plus within square root. What is a x whole square? X plus 3 by 5 whole square plus what is a whole square? Root over 11 by 5 whole square. So I think I've understood it. Okay, so then mod sign is closed. Then what do you write? Then you have to write plus c. So let us simplify the expression within modulus sign. So this is the formula, right? So let us write here, or I is equal to, this is 1 by root 5, this is your log within mod, this is base e. So x plus 3 by 5 is kept as it is plus root over, let us simplify it. This is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b whole square. So this is x square plus what is twice ab? What is twice ab here? It is 2 into x into 3 by 5. That is your 6x by 5. Plus what is b whole square? It is 9 by 25. So in this case, plus b whole square is 3 by 5 whole square. That is 9 by 25. Plus what is root over 11 by 5 whole square? Plus it is 11 by 25. Mod sign closed plus c. So I think you have understood it. So again you can simplify the expression on the square root, or I is equal to, this is 1 by root 5, this is log within mod, the base is e here, this is x plus 3 by 5 plus root over, this is x square plus 6x by 5 plus, what is 9 by 25 plus 11 by 25? That is your 20 by 25, isn't it? So 20 by 25 can be written in terms of lowest form, that is 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. That is, it will be 11 plus 9 is 20 divided by 25. So it can be cancelled by 5. 5 4s are 20 divided by 5 5s are 25. Okay. So mod sign closed plus c. So you can keep the answer as it is. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. Now we'll do the next question, that is question number 23. The question is integral sine x dx divided by within square root. We have got two factors out there. One is x square minus a square into b square minus x square, and there is x in the numerator. Okay, so now both the expression are on the square root, and it is also given that this b square is greater than a square. This b square is greater than a square. Okay, so let us assume one of the factors as z square. So let us take this x square minus a square as z square, because it is given here b square is greater than a square. So let us take this x square minus a square as z square, because this is under square root. Okay, so let us first write I is equal to integration of, this is x dx divided by root over x square minus a square into, this is b square minus x square. Is that clear? So let us assume the first factor as z square. That is, let z square is equal to x square minus a square. Okay, so we are doing the method of substitution. Since the expression is under square root, this x square minus a square is assumed as z square. Okay, so let us differentiate it both the sides with respect to x. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So what do we get? What is the differentiation of z square with respect to x? It is 2z into dz by dx is equal to 2x minus a square is constant, its differentiation is 0. Okay, so here you can cancel this 2, or now this is z dz is equal to, this is your x dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so now let us put the value in I. So therefore I is equal to integration of, what is x dx? It is z dz divided by, within square root, what is x square minus a square? It is z square, right? And within bracket, again there is x square is here. There is b square and there is x square. We can get the value for x square from here and put that value of x square in this expression. Okay, so let us get the value for x square from here. So what is x square is equal to, this is z square plus a square. Is that clear? So what is the value for x square from here? It is z square plus a square. So this x square minus a square is z square. So now it is b square minus, what is x square? What is minus x square? It is minus z square, and minus into plus is minus a square. Bracket is closed. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so let us simplify it further. Or I is equal to integration of, this is z dz divided by, what is square root of z square? That is your z, and within square root, here we have, let us write down the constant term first, that is b square minus a square. Let us keep it within bracket. Okay, b square minus a square, then which is the variable? Minus z square. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so here you can cancel this z will be cancelled. So now let us convert into standard form now. So I is equal to integration of dz divided by, within square root. So you have to convert them into standard integral form. This will be in the form of dx divided by root over a square minus x square. So here what is a whole square? This b square minus a square should be kept within whole square. So it will be root over b square minus a square whole square, isn't it? So b square minus a square is kept within whole square. So you can write it within square root b square minus a square whole square. Okay, then write down minus z square. Is that clear? So in this case we can use the sixth standard form, that is integration of dx divided by root over a square minus x square, which is equal to, this is your sine inverse x upon a plus c. So this standard form will be used. So compare these two integration. So here a is equal to root over b square minus a square, and what is x here? It is z. So or I is equal to, what is the formula? It is sine inverse, what is x? Z. What is a? Root over, this is b square minus a square, bracket close, plus c. So now let us put the value for z. What is z actually? Here z square is equal to x square minus a square. What is the value for z? It is root under x square minus a square. So or I is equal to, this is sine inverse within bracket, what is the value for z? It is root over x square minus a square divided by root over b square minus a square, bracket closed, plus c. Is that clear? So both are within square root here, isn't it? So you can write it within square root. Both these fraction can be kept within whole square root. Okay? So or I is equal to, this is sine inverse. This is your sine inverse within bracket root over, how much is that? X square minus a square divided by, this is your b square minus a square. So bracket closed, plus c. So this is the final answer. So the answer is I is equal to sine inverse within bracket within square root x square minus a square divided by b square minus a square, bracket closed, plus c. So this is the final answer. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 24. So you have to evaluate this integration, that is integral of sec square x dx divided by within square root 5 sec square x minus 12 tan x minus 1. Okay, so let us evaluate this integration, and you can do this 26 as homework. First of all, let's do this question number 24, then you can easily understand this question number 26. So question number 26 is your homework. Okay, so let's do this question number 24 now. So here the question is I is equal to integration of, this is sec square x dx divided by within square root, it is 5 sec square x minus 12 tan x, then it is minus 1. Okay, so how can you evaluate this integration? So in this case, first of all, you have to do the method of substitution. Now in the numerator we have sec square x. Now you know that the differentiation of which function is sec square x? It is tan x, isn't it? Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So in the denominator we have sec square x and tan x. Let us convert this sec square x in terms of tan x. What is sec square x in terms of tan x? So sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Okay, so let us write it here now. I is equal to integration of, this is sec square x dx divided by within square root, here we have 5 into, what is sec square x? It is 1 plus tan square x. So it is 1 plus tan square x minus 12 tan x, and this is your minus 1. Is that clear? So or I is equal to integration of, this is your sec square x dx divided by within square root, 5 ones are 5 plus, this is your 5 tan square x, this is your 5 tan square x minus 12 tan x, then this is minus 1. Is that clear? So or now this is I is equal to integration of, let us keep it as it is, numerator sec square x dx divided by root over, now this is 5 tan square x, it is 5 tan square x, next minus 12 tan x, minus 12 tan x, then plus 5 minus 1. Plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4. So I think you have understood it. So now let us assume tan x as z, because differentiation of tan x is what? Sec square x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So let us do the method of substitution in this case. So let it is z is equal to tan x, because differentiation of tan x is what? Sec square x, right? So here differentiating both the sides, with respect to x. So what do we get? dz by dx is equal to, this is sec square x. Now cross multiply. So it is dz is equal to, what is here? It is sec square x dx. That means we are getting the numerator. That is, what is sec square x dx? Which is equal to dz. Is that clear now? So let us put these values in I. So therefore, I is equal to integration of, what is sec square x dx? It is dz divided by, within square root, what do we have? It is 5z square, 5z square minus 12z minus 12z, then this is plus 4. Okay, so we have got this expression now. So now I already told you that whenever the expression is on the square root and it is in the denominator, and if the coefficient of z square is positive, and if you can factorize the expression, factorize it by middle term breaking. So here the expression is on the square root, coefficient of z square is positive 5, and you can factorize this expression, isn't it? So let us factorize it. Okay, so it is 5z square, then minus 12z, then plus 4. So 5 4s are 20. If you multiply the two numbers, you should get 20, and after adding, before 4 there is plus sign, and after adding you should get 12, and after adding you should get 12. So it is 10 2s are 20, and 10 plus 2 is what? 12, right? So here you can write 5z square minus, within bracket, 10 plus 2 into z plus 4. So which is equal to 5z square minus 10z minus 2z plus 4. Which is equal to, this is your 5z, this is your 5z common within bracket, z minus 2 common within bracket, it is z minus 2, which is equal to, this is your z minus 2 into 5z minus 2. So what are the factors now? It is z minus 2 into 5z minus 2. Is that clear now? So let us write it here now. So or I is equal to integration of, this is dz divided by, within square root, this is your z minus 2 into, this is 5z minus 2. So I hope you have understood it. So both are within square root. So any one of the factors can be assumed as v square. Let us write it as v square or y square now. So let us take it as y square, not z square, because z is already here. So let us take one of the factors as y square. Okay, you can take either z minus 2 is equal to y square, or you may take 5z minus 2 as y square. So let us take z minus 2 as y square, because both the factors are within square root. So let y square is equal to z minus 2. Let y square is equal to z minus 2. So let us differentiate both the sides with respect to z. Differentiating both the sides with respect to z. So it will be 2y into dy by dz is equal to, d by dz of z is always 1. Or this is 2y dy is equal to dz. That is, if you cross multiply it, you can get 2y dy is equal to dz. Is that clear now? So let us put these values in I. So therefore I is equal to, this is integration of, what is dz? 2y dy, right? So whole divided by, within square root, what is z minus 2? It is y square, right? So within second bracket there is 5. Let us write here 5. What is the value for z from here? So you have to get the value for z from this method of substitution. So what is the value for z in this case? So z is equal to y square plus 2. So here the value for z is equal to y square plus 2. Let us put the value for z in this case. So here z is y square plus 2 bracket closed. Then you have to write minus 2. So here second bracket is closed. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now let us do further simplification. So next, therefore I is equal to, here 2 is constant taken outside, 2 integral sign, this is y dy divided by, in the denominator, what is square root of y square? That is your y. Then within square root, let us multiply it, 5y square plus 10. It is 5y square plus 5 2s are 10. Then minus 2. It is 5 2s are 10 minus 2, right? So here you can cancel this y gets cancels. Or I is equal to 2 integral sign, this is your dy divided by within square root. It is 5y square plus 10 minus 2 is 8. So let us convert it into standard form now. So you have to make the coefficient of y square positive 1. So let us take 5 as common. So I is equal to 2 integral sign dy divided by within square root. 5 is taken common. So it is y square plus 8 by 5. Okay. So or I is equal to which constant is taken outside? This is root 5 in the denominator, so root over 5 is taken outside, that is it is 2 by root 5. So it is integration of dy divided by within square root y square plus this is root over 8 by root over 5 whole square. Is that understood now? So this is your dx divided by root over x square plus a square. So this is the standard form, integration of dx divided by root over x square plus a square, which is equal to, what is the formula? Log base e within mod x plus root over, this is x square plus a square, mod sign closed, base e plus c, right? So similarly, or y is equal to 2 by root 5 is constant, you have to write it, log base e within mod. Within mod, what is x here? Y. So it is y plus root over y square plus a square. That is x square is y square plus what is a whole square? Root 8 by root 5 whole square, that is 8 by 5. Mod sign closed plus c. Is that clear? So let us put the value for y now. Or I is equal to 2 by root 5 log base e within mod. What is the value for y? What was y actually? Y is root over z minus 2, isn't it? Y square is equal to z minus 2. So what is the value for y? It is root over z minus 2. Root over z minus 2 plus root over, again what is y square? Z minus 2. Z minus 2 plus 8 by 5 mod sign closed plus c. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So let us put the value for z in this case. Or I is equal to 2 by root 5 log, the base is e within mod, root over what is z? Here the value for z is what? Now tan x. So you can write here tan x minus 2 plus root over, this z is tan x minus, because minus 2 is more than plus 8 by 5. Is that clear? So one is minus sign and the other one is plus, you have to subtract it. So minus 2 plus 8 by 5, what is it? 5 2s are 10, and 10, if you subtract 8 from 10 you will get 2. So it will be minus 2 by 5. It will be minus 2 by 5. Minus 10 plus 8. Minus 10 plus 8 is minus 2 by 5. So mod sign is closed plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So this question is very, very important. This question number 24. So you can do this 26 at home. So this question number 26 is your homework. You can do it similarly. I'll give you the hint. Within square root you write e to the power x whole square minus 5 e to the power x plus 6. You can do the method of substitution. Let z is equal to e to the power x. Then within square root you will have z square minus 5z plus 6. And the coefficient of z square here is positive 1, and you can factorize the expression, factorize it. Okay, so this question number 26 is your homework, so you can copy this one. So let's do the next question. Now we'll do question number 25. The question is, you have to evaluate this integration. Integral sine cos dx divided by within square root 6 plus 11 sine x minus 10 sine square x. So let us evaluate this integration. Okay, so therefore I is equal to integration of, this is cos x dx divided by root over, this is 6 plus 11 sine x minus 10 sine square x. So how will you do this integration? So in this case, in the denominator there is term containing sine x, and in the numerator we have only got cos x, and you know the relation between sine x and cos x, that is differentiation of sine x will be cos x. So we can assume sine x as z. That means we can do the method of substitution in this case. So let z is equal to, this is sine x. Let z is equal to sine x. So let us differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So therefore this is dz by dx is equal to cos x. So let's do cross multiplication. Dz is equal to, this is your cos x dx. Is that clear now? So we can put it in I. So I is equal to integration of, what is cos x dx? It is dz whole divided by within square root, what is here? This is 6 plus 11z, isn't it? And minus 10z square. Is it clear to all of you? So now you can convert into standard form. Since the expression is on the square root and the coefficient of z square is negative, don't factorize it. Just convert it into perfect square and convert it into standard integral form. So before that, make the coefficient of z square positive 1. The expression चाहिँ under square root छ, तर यहाँ z square coefficient negative छ भने factorize नगर्ने, यसलाई हामी डाइरेक्ट perfect square लगेर standard integral मा हामी चेन्ज गर्छौं यसलाई. So before that, make the coefficient of z square positive 1. So you take minus 10 common. So therefore I is equal to integration of, this is dz divided by within square root minus 10 is taken common. So within bracket what do we have? Z square minus into plus minus 11 by 10 z, isn't it? So minus into plus is minus, so it is 6 by 10, isn't it? 6 by 10, but you should write it in the lowest form. What is 6 by 10? 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, so it is minus 3 by 5. So I think you have understood it. So which constant is taken outside? You can't take minus sign outside integral sign on the square root. Okay, so let us take only 1 by root 10. So it is 1 by root 10 integration of, this is your dz divided by root over, let us write minus sign here only. So within bracket we have z square minus 11z upon 10 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so now here minus sign is taken outside, that is, it is taken common, minus 10, so that we can make the coefficient of z square positive 1. Okay, so next what will you do here? Let us convert this z square and the term containing z in terms of a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So let us convert into standard form now. So it is 1 by root 10 integration of, this is dz divided by within square root minus within second bracket now What is a whole square? A whole square is, this is z whole square minus 2 into a is z into. Now in this case, we have z whole square, that is correct, and minus 2a means 2z. What should be the value for b so that we can have 11z by 10? It will be 11 by 20. If 2z is multiplied by 11 by 20, then 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. That means you will get 11z by 10. That is correct. So the value for b should be 11 by 20. Plus, what is b whole square? This is 11 by 20 whole square. Is that clear to all of you? I think you have understood it. So let us write down minus 3 by 5 first, because there is minus 3 by 5 here. But what is 11 by 20 whole square? It is 121 divided by 400. So if there is 121 by 400, but there is no 121 by 400, 11 by 20 whole square is not here. You have to cancel it. That means you can write minus 121 divided by 400. So here second bracket is closed. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify it. I is equal to 1 by root 10 integration of, this is dz divided by within square root minus within second bracket a square minus 2ab plus b whole square. What is it? It is z minus 11 by 20 whole square. Minus, same sign you have to add them actually, isn't it? So what's the LCM here now? Here the LCM is what? 400. 400 is the LCM. Okay. Now this LCM is divided by 5. So how much is it? 5 8s are 40, 80. 5 8s are 40, 0, 80. So 80 into 3. What is 80 multiplied by 3? It is 240. And minus into minus is plus. 400 divided by 400 is 1. So it is 121. So it is 121. Okay. Now here second bracket is closed. Or I is equal to, this is 1 by root 10 integration of, this is dz divided by within square root. So let us write down positive term first. So it is minus into minus is plus. 240 plus 121 is 361. It is 361 divided by 400, right? So it is minus into minus plus. 240 plus 121 is 361 divided by 400. Then minus, what do we write? Z minus 11 by 20 whole square. I think you have understood it. Okay. So let us write this 361 by 400 in terms of whole square. So which number whole square is 361? Let us get the square root of 361 now. So you have to take the term in pair. The pair of 1 is 6 and 3 is alone out here. So it is 1 1s are 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, so it is 61. So 1 plus 1 is, that is 2 out here. Okay. So 9 9. So this is 9, this is also 9. 9 9s are what? 81. 1 8. 9 2s are 18 plus 8 is 26. So it is 26, right? So this is cross. So it is 19. Is that clear? So let us write here, or I is equal to, this is 1 by root 10. Let us write it. Then integration of dx divided by within square root. How will you write down this? 361, that is 19. 400 in terms of whole square is 20 whole square. So this is 19 by 20 whole square. Then comes minus sign. Z minus 11 by 20 whole square. So it is Z minus 11 by 20 whole square. Is it clear now? So this is the sixth standard form. That is, sixth standard form here is, what is the sixth standard form? Integration of dx divided by root over a square minus x square, which is equal to, this is sine inverse x upon a plus c. Is that clear to all of you? So now compare these two standard form. Here a is equal to 19 by 20, What is x here? It is z minus 11 by 20. That is the sixth standard form. So now what is the formula? Or I is equal to 1 upon root 10. So it is sine inverse x by a. What is x by a? Z minus 11 by 20 is x divided by what is a? It is 19 by 20. Bracket closed plus c. So I think you have understood it. So what's the LCM in the numerator? 20. And this 20 and this 20 will be cancelled. So what do we get? So I is equal to 1 by root 10. It is sine inverse within bracket. What's the LCM in the numerator? That is 20. So it is 20z minus 11 divided by this 20 and this 20 will be cancelled. Whole divided by 19. So it is plus c. So I think you have understood it. So let us put the value for z. What is the value for z in this case? It is sine x. Okay. So or I is equal to 1 by root 10. It is sine inverse within bracket 20 into what is z? Sine x. It is sine x minus 11, this whole divided by 19, and it is plus c. So this is the final answer. So what is the final answer out here? I is equal to 1 by root 10 sine inverse within bracket 20 in place of z. You have to write down the value for z, that is z is equal to sine x. That is in the numerator we have 20 sine x minus 11 whole divided by 19 bracket closed plus c. So that is the final answer. Now we'll do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 27. You have to integrate, you have to evaluate this integration. The question is integral sine 2 to the power x dx divided by within square root 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 5. Okay. So let us first write I is equal to integration of 2 to the power x dx divided by within square root. It is 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 5. So here also 2 to the power x dx is in the numerator. So in this case also you have to do the method of substitution first. So differentiation of which function may be 2 to the power x. That is differentiation of 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x log 2 base e. So log 2 base is constant here, we can manipulate it. यहाँ जुन चाहिँ constant log 2 base आउँदैछ त्यो हामी यताउता मिलाउन सकिहाल्छौँ. That means we are getting 2 to the power x. That is differentiation of 2 to the power x will be 2 to the power x log 2 base e. That means we are getting the numerator. Okay. So let us simplify this denominator. So I is equal to integration of 2 to the power x dx divided by within square root here. This can be written as 2 to the power 2x, 4 is written as 2 square, minus it can be simplified further 2 to the power x into 2 square plus this is your 5. Okay. Or I is equal to integral sine, this is 2 to the power x dx divided by within square root. You can write it within whole square. That is 2 to the power x whole square. Isn't it? 2 to the power 2x means 2 to the power x whole square. Minus 2 square is 4 into 2 to the power x, then plus 5. Then plus 5. Is that clear? Is that clear to all of you? So we have got this expression. Now we can use the method of substitution. Now this 2 to the power x which is in the denominator can be assumed as z. So let z is equal to 2 to the power x. Let z is equal to 2 to the power x. Let us differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Let us differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So what do we get? That is dz by dx is equal to how much is it? 2 to the power x into log 2 base e. You know the formula, isn't it? What is the differentiation of a to the power x with respect to x? It is a to the power x into log a base e. Now let us do cross multiplication. So what is dz is equal to? It is 2 to the power x log 2 base e into dx. Is that clear? Now we have got in the numerator 2 to the power x dx. So what is the value for 2 to the power x dx? This log 2 base e can be taken to the left hand side. So what do we get? That is dz divided by log 2 base e is equal to 2 to the power x dx. That means we are getting the value of the numerator. That is, what is the value for 2 to the power x dx? It is dz divided by log 2 base e. Okay. So अब हामी के गर्छौं? यो भ्यालुजहरुलाई हामी I मा हाल्छौं. So therefore what is I now? So I is equal, now this question is from HS question paper, right? This is from HS 2015. This question is from HS 2015, which carries 4 marks, right? So what is I is equal, now let us put these values in I. So I is equal to integration of, what is 2 to the power x dx? It is dz divided by log 2 base e. This whole divided by, within a square root. Within a square root we have here z whole square. 2x whole square means z square minus, this is 4z, and this is plus 5. And this is plus 5. Okay. So which constant is taken outside? I is equal to 1 upon log 2 base e integration of dz divided by, within root, this is z square minus 4z plus 5. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So 1 by log 2 base is constant, that is taken outside. So we have integral sign dz divided by root over z square minus 4z plus 5. Okay. So now here the expression is under square root. The quadratic expression is under square root. And here the coefficient of z square is positive. But we cannot factorize this expression. So if you multiply the two numbers, you should get 5. And after adding, you should get 4. So you know that 5 ones are 5. But only 5 minus 1 is 4. But before 5 there is addition plus. So after adding you should get 4. But we are getting 4 when it is 5 minus 1. So you हामीले middle term break गर्न सक्दैनौं. We cannot break the middle term out here. Z square minus 4z plus 5 cannot be factorized further. Okay. So let us convert them into standard integral form. And that means you have to convert into the form of perfect square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b whole square. Okay. So here the coefficient of z square is already positive 1. You don't have to make it. Let us convert into perfect square form. So 1 upon, this is log 2 base e integration of, this is dz divided by, within square root, what is a whole square? That is z whole square minus 2 into a is z into, what is b? What is the value for b, so that we can have 4z? It is 2. 2 to the 4z plus, what is b whole square? It is 2 whole square, right? 2 whole square is 4, but is there 4? No. You first write 5, then write down minus 4. So I think you have understood it. Okay. Or I is equal to, this is your 1 by log 2 base e integration of, this is dz divided by, within square root. So what is this? A square minus 2ab plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, isn't it? So you can write here z minus 2 whole square plus, what is 5 minus 1? That is, sorry, 5 minus 4. There is 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? That is 1. You can write it within whole square. Is that clear? So this is your standard form. Which standard form is this one? That is integral sign dx divided by root over, this is your x square plus a square. So which is equal to, this is log within mod x plus root over, this is your x square plus a square, mod sign closed, base is e plus c. So we can use the formula in this case. Okay. So instead of x there is z minus 2, instead of a there is 1. So let us use this formula now. Therefore I is equal to 1 upon log 2 base e into. So what is the formula now? Log within mod. Here the base is z. What is x? Z minus 2. Z minus 2 plus root over x whole square. Z minus 2 whole square plus, what is a whole square? 1 whole square. It is 1 whole square mod sign close plus c. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify it further. Or I is equal to, this is 1 by log 2 base e, log within mod, here the base is e. So this is z minus 2 plus root over, how much is it? Z square minus twice ab. What is twice ab? 2 into z into 2, that is minus 4z plus 2 whole square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Mod sign closed plus c. So let us put the value for z in this case. So or I is equal to 1 upon log 2 base e into log base e. What is z? Actually, what was z? It is 2 to the power x. So it is 2 to the power x minus 2 plus root over. Now we can write here 2 to the power x whole square minus this 4 can be written as 2 square into z is 2 to the power x plus 5 mod sign closed plus c. Oh, now this is I is equal to 1 upon, this is your log 2 base e, right? Log base e within mod, what do we write? 2 to the power x minus 2 plus root over, what do we write here now? This 2 whole square is 4, you know that. 2 whole square is 4, you can write here 4 to the power x minus, so if this 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power x is multiplied, powers will be added. That is, you will get 2 to the power x plus 2. Then what do we write? Plus 5 mod sign closed plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So this question is very, very important, and this question is from higher secondary question paper, that is from 2015. Okay, so this question is very, very important. You can copy it. So this much is for today. सो आज हामीले जति पनि प्रब्लम्सहरु गरेका छौं यो घरमा सबैले राम्रोसँग रिभिजन गर्नु इफ यु हैव एनी प्रब्लम यु क्यान कल मी और यु क्यान राइट डाउन द कमेन्ट्स ओके सो इन द नेक्स्ट अनलाइन क्लास वी विल डू मोर प्रब्लम्स on this standard integral. So this much is for today.